Most people get sick because of food. This one helps protect your body. This is not just a fruit. This is food that works like medicine inside your body. Most health problems begin in the stomach, with poor digestion. Apples help clean your stomach naturally and support digestion. The fiber in apples helps food move smoothly and prevents constipation. This fiber feeds good gut bacteria, which protect digestion and immunity. Apples slow down sugar absorption and reduce blood sugar spikes. Regular apple intake supports heart health and healthy blood flow. Apples keep you full longer and help control unhealthy cravings. This simple fruit gives steady energy without sudden crashes. You don't fix health problems with medicine first. You fix them with food. Small food choices decide your future health. Start with better food today. Most people fear eggs, but this food builds your body from inside. Eggs are not the problem. Poor food choices are. Your body gets weak when it lacks quality protein. Eggs provide complete protein that repairs muscles and cells. This protein helps build strength and prevent muscle loss. Eggs support your brain and memory. They contain nutrients that help your brain stay sharp and focused. Eggs give long-lasting energy without sugar crashes. Eating eggs keeps you full and reduces unnecessary snacking. In the right amount, eggs support overall body balance. Strong health doesn't come from fear. It comes from smart food choices. Eat real food. Build a stronger body every day. If you feel breathless while resting, your body is signaling stress. This isn't weakness, it's a system message. Most people breathe shallow without noticing. Slouching compresses the lungs. An anxious nervous system tightens breathing. Low hydration thickens blood and stresses breathing. A weak diaphragm limits full breaths. Sighing often or yawning repeatedly are clues. Caffeine, constant screens, and zero movement. Slow the breath. In through nose, out longer. Breathlessness at rest means your system needs calm. Listen to your breath early. If food makes you weak, something is wrong. Meals should give energy, not steal it. If you feel sleepy after meals, your digestion is overloaded. Heaviness means the meal was too much for your stomach. Large portions and heavy foods pull blood to digestion. Eating fast makes digestion weaker and traps gas. Low hydration reduces energy and slows digestion. Too much refined carbs can cause a sugar spike, then a crash. Dizziness, shaky feeling, or sudden fatigue are warning signs. Smaller portions, slower eating, and balanced plates fix this. When digestion and blood sugar stabilize, energy becomes stable. Don't ignore weakness after meals. Fix the cause. Like, comment, and subscribe.